This month we're giving away 2 Dyson Supersonic hair dryers valued at $550 each, or £280 for our friends in the UK. Now I think I can hear the ladies clapping with joy and the guys moaning with boredom, but guys, think about the brownie points if you gift this to the right person. It's going to be better than any gift for yourself, trust me. Now this is open to all of our lovely customers in Australia and the UK. To be eligible, just order 60 pods or more, or a bag of beans. As usual, all subscriptions are automatically included. Best of luck!